I don't know why is an error. Is that what you wanted? Or?
It was I'm just testing for you.
Okay, so
Here the first name. No, down.
so add those. One, two. Yeah, get add.
انت بتطلع اقامتك حسب
One,
لحظه شوي تطلع اقامتك
تطلع إقامته بعدين بيجي موعد امتى بده يفصل
جوازي وحط بالبيت في شهر بعدين رحت على السجن انا رحت حكيت
to actually meet all of these really interesting people. So it's a very important week in the calendar. Space is the kind of arrival space, only application of technology that they look at, right? It's going to look at all of this. As a hackathon, people go there and they're trying to understand, hey, do you want to come?
Is it enough?
Yeah, cheers.
Actually, I want to do a Tinder-like app.
We are ReDI School of Digital Integration. We got started in February this year, and we're currently teaching 40 refugees how to program. We have two different tracks. There's one for people who have never programmed before, but are very good at using, for instance, their mobile phone. Then we have another one, which is for people who have a little bit of coding background. It could be they have studied informatics in Damascus or Aleppo, or that they, for instance, have been working for a bank in Damascus and have been working in the IT department. It's a 3-month course, and in the end of June, we'll have the first graduates who we hope will get jobs, either real jobs or will get internships in the German IT industry.
You go all the way up here. Right, it's going to be top and left as much as possible. Okay.
Right.
Right. You can position it. You can move it around, which has position relative. Okay. So it's going to go right up to the top left again. Okay. But now relative.
Currently, there's 43,000 available jobs in the IT industry in Germany, and this is something that we can see all over Europe at the moment. I think the most recent number is 950,000 available jobs in IT in Europe. So it's not just in Berlin that there's a huge need, it's a need all over Europe. Of course, if you have never programmed before, it will take a while before you can actually get a job. But we can see that there's a lot of startups, a lot of industries looking for good interns, where if we can introduce them to the right people, then you can actually get started and learn at the job.
It's here 0, I made it 0.
Okay.
Here, body margin 10.
71, we've got body.
You delete it.
I'm going to get rid of it.
Okay. Refresh.
This is.
عمار لما حذفت العشرة ايش صار معك؟
This isn't he supposed to be here at all?
No.
No? His surname?
اسم الشارع القديم اسم الشارع الجديد.
تعبيتك كلها؟
لا عم
Yeah, and hit delete.
I had many projects, but I mean, I had some silly ones, maybe, I don't know. I had like, I wanted, you know, I'm right now much focused most of the time on learning German to get into the university, maybe the next semester or the semester after it. But I had like many ideas related to learning new languages, maybe doing a karaoke app for learning German or something, but I think that will be very, like, it would work in Japan, but I don't know if it would work here.
انتوا جروبكم شو عم يعمل؟
It might just be that
كل جروب اخذ مشروع معين انه يشتغل عليه، تمام؟ انتوا جروبكم شو اخذ؟ انا والله العظيم مشغول مشان هيك ما عم بفتح اللابتوب غير هون والله.
So I guess you
طيب ايه بس انت عم تقول طيب هيك انا لا انا بس هو مين بيعطيك البلديه والجوب سنتر؟
Rami's going to be teaching a class.
The refugees,
Yeah.
where they're going to come.
Yeah.
So we should think about that.
Yeah.
And they're
The images that we see in media are undignified, I would say. The way that our students are portrayed and other refugees are being portrayed is very far from the reality. They're very, very resourceful people who just with a little bit of help and support in the beginning really have an opportunity not just to become a gift to Germany, but really also to be the voice of all the people who are still in refugee camps in other parts of the developing world. So I really hope that they can help be part of it, making a difference.
now been completely removed is to give the format. I don't know much about it. I like to think of it in terms of boxes containing boxes. Yeah, it's good. I like teaching them. I like seeing them like get things. That's always a nice feeling. But I think it was also quite hard to learn how to program. You know, it takes a lot of like dedicated effort. It'll take lots of evenings and weekends of their time. Yeah.
سلبي بطريقة مخيفة.
طلع اسم المحطة طلعت له بالروسي.
So what's the...
In 5 years, I guess I'll be finished with the university, and I'll be hopefully working and developing stuff.
What needs to be verified for you?